Hey, it's NetHunt here. You've already known that we are a Gmail CRM, but did you know that we are also LinkedIn experts? Today, we're looking at the power of LinkedIn for sales, the different subscriptions plans that are available to you, how to build the perfect profile, and then how to look for leads and pop them into your favorite CRM system's dashboard. Okay, intro over. Let's get growing. So first, we have LinkedIn Basic. It's pretty much your starting point in the journey of climbing up the LinkedIn ladder. It was pretty much built on the premise of letting you share your insights, connect with your friends, post updates, like and comment, and all that kind of stuff. With Basic, you get a news feed, a profile, the chance to connect to your old mates, your mom, and your dad, and you can even message your connections. Wow. Climbing up the ladder, we have LinkedIn Premium Business. It's a paid-for tier of LinkedIn. It's aimed at business professionals who want to get the most out of their LinkedIn experience. It allows unlimited browsing up to the third degree. Then you can also have open profiles for anyone to see. And finally, you can access insights of who's been viewing you in the past 90 days. LinkedIn Learning, industry data news, and email, which lets you message people outside your connections list. Wow, you got it all. Premium Business is the choice for those who want to network. At the very top of the ladder is Sales Navigator, another paid-for tier of LinkedIn. Well, how would I describe it? It's basically LinkedIn Premium Business, but more premium. You get all the benefits of LinkedIn Premium Business, but it's built as a sales management tool that allows reps to tap in their expensive network of connections and land better deals. Navigators receive regularly updated lead recommendations, gain access to more comprehensive search filters, and after searching, results provide more profile data for a better overview of potential leads. You can save up to 1,500 leads and accounts that have tickled your fancy and might need actioning later. With Sales Navigator, it rains leads. If something tickled your fancy, pause the video right now and take a look at the prices of each plan. Next on the menu, your profile. Choose a professional headshot photo, a custom URL, and a killer headline. Next, you should write your About section, starting with your prospects' problems and telling them how you solve them. Add some personality, share facts and figures, share your achievements, and don't be afraid to brag about yourself. To take your profile to the next level, you can set yourself at the target of asking for one endorsement a month. But it's important to be strategic. Ask proper professionals for those endorsements and choose the best ones to be featured on your profile. Finally, if you've recently gained a new skill, make sure it's endorsed in your profile. And after that, it's time to make sure that you're active and seen on LinkedIn. Grow your connections list. From my experience, LinkedIn connections are a bit of a free-for-all. Add people in your industry and people who you're interested in. Follow influencers. Like, comment, and share their stuff. Spend 60 seconds every day updating your status. Write articles for everyone to read. All in all, be valuable. Alas, this isn't all about you. We came here to party and we need to find people who are interested in our product. Well, the good thing is, looking for leads in LinkedIn is easy. Check who viewed your profile or somebody else's profile. If someone's checking you out, they might be into you. On top of the semi-annoying emails, you'll be able to see who has looked at your profile on the LinkedIn dashboard. LinkedIn Basic allows users to see up to 5 people who have viewed their profile. Premium users receive an unlimited view of who has been sniffing around, as well as trends in viewership and industry representation. The People Also Viewed section can also be fertile ground for finding new leads. It displays 10 potential prospects that are very similar either to yourself or the profile that you are already looking at. The best thing is, this feature is updated multiple times each month to maintain a steady flow of fresh faces to reach out to and engage with. Sales Navigator lead recommendations. As far as lead generation goes, bee's knees. This feature offers lead recommendations that are based on your sales preference, your search history, and your interactions with different profiles. These leads are probably exactly what you're looking for, and it doesn't ever get better. Content. Post your own content and see who bites. Look at everybody else's content. Learn from it and then check out who's in the comments, who's liking it, and who's sharing it. If you choose content from your niche, there's bound to be somebody likely interested in your product. Search using advanced filters. The advanced filters available to Sales Navigator users are worth the subscription alone. I tried to find the words to explain all of these filters, but not gonna lie, I failed. So I'll just show you instead. Pause the vid and check them out. Once you've found a prospect, it'd be such a shame to lose them simply because you forgot about them. So let's have a look at the 2 ways to store your LinkedIn leads. First up, the old manual way. Go to LinkedIn, copy the name of the lead you want to generate, go to your spreadsheet and paste it. Then do the same for their company, their title, and their email address. Something like this. And then find the next content, do the same, copy, paste, repeat, one by one for all the contacts you found. And after that, you've still got work to do. The next step is to import the spreadsheet into your CRM or email automation software. Well, if you're using them, of course. Sure, it works, but it's definitely the long way around. So, we want to show you the new, cool NetHunt way. If you found the contacts you need, add them from LinkedIn to NetHunt CRM with just one click, automatically enriching their record with details that are available to you as a user. Picture, first name, last name, company, title, email, phone number, Skype ID, Twitter handle, birth date, link to LinkedIn profile. All there is. When you add a lead or a company to your CRM, not only their details are added to NetHunt, but also CRM details are available on a sidebar next to their profile. So you can instantly see all their lead or company-related important information, providing you with a valuable context when you need it the most. If you haven't done it already, you need to download NetHunt's LinkedIn extension from the Chrome Web Store. And of course, you do need to be a NetHunt user. So if you're not using LinkedIn to generate leads for your business, well, you should be. There are more than 675 million LinkedIn users in over 200 countries worldwide. That's what I call visibility. If you've got any cheeky LinkedIn for sales tips, we'd love to hear them in the comments. Oh, and while we're talking business community, go and join NetHunt. Head over to community.nethunt.com and find loads of lovely people to talk about our lovely product. But until then, I guess like, comment, and subscribe. We've been NetHunt CRM. See ya.